Hello and welcome to Ayesha's Twin Nails Arts and Craft Gallery. My name is Ayesha and this is my channel. If today is your first time of coming across this channel, you are most welcome. So this channel is dedicated towards all and sundry, so every individual who is interested in everything creativity. So on this platform, we do bead making, we do pottery work, we do arts work. So I draw here. I also do a bit of poetry, and I do some sort of singing on this channel. So it's a holistic channel whereby everything creativity you can find on this channel. And we do models as well, so crafts work such as healthy eating plates and what have you. So today we're gonna make some glasses using a copper wire like this. You need a very hard wire. So the wires, we have a thin one like this one. Let me show you. You can barely see it. So look at the diameter of this. You know, it's very thin, isn't it? So in comparison to this one, it's a vast difference, isn't it? This one is quite thick, quite a thicker wire. In comparison to this is quite thin. So we're gonna start off by, ensuring that we wire. I'm gonna cut using, so the tools for this is just a wire and then your scissors, and I'm just gonna cut and then set this aside for next time. And then I'm just gonna straighten the wire a bit. So this is it. So I need so gently bending the wire to form the lens. And then this one among the gas. So this is one of it, and I would work on as a lens bit, and then the lens bit, and then among the gas, who is like you, sovereign Lord of the universe, gracious and holy, truly wonderful is Jehovah. Among the gods, who is like you, sovereign Lord of the universe, gracious. So guys, this, and then this is my one. I hope you like it. Yeah, very simple. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up for like. Don't forget to share the video. Until then, it's a goodbye from me to you. Bye.